Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw numbers. Kids, today we use 5 colors: blue color, black color, red color, green color, and the last one is yellow color. First we use the color of blue. Kids, now we draw the number of 1. Subscribe to our channel. O-N-E 1. The next one is 2. T-W-O 2. Now we draw the number of 3. The next one is 4. F-O-U-R 4. Kids, now we draw the number of 5, and now we use the color of black. Now we use the color of black. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, now we draw 5. F-I-V-E 5. And the next one is 6. The number of 6. The next one is 7. Now we draw 7, and the next one is 8. Now we draw 9. We again use black color, and now we draw the number of 9. N-I-N-E 9. Now we draw 10. T-E-N 10. The next one is 11. Now we draw the number of 12. Now we draw the number of 12, and the next one is 13. Kids, now we use the color of red. Now we use red color and draw the number of 13. The next one is 14. We again use red color, and now we draw 15. Subscribe to our channel. The last one is 16. Today we draw numbers 1 to 16. Kids, today we draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and the last one is 16. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.